Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word happy? The correct option is C. Sad. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word excited? The correct option is D. Bored. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word afraid? The correct option is B. Brave. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word angry? The correct option is A. Calm. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word proud? The correct option is A. Ashamed. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word worried? The correct option is C. Relaxed. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word lonely? The correct option is A. Sociable. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word jealous? The correct option is B. Content. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word cheerful? The correct option is C. Gloomy. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word nervous? The correct option is B. Confident. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word tired? The correct option is B. Energetic. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word calm? The correct option is A. Restless. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word upset? The correct option is B. Happy. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word ashamed? The correct option is A. Proud. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word embarrassed? The correct option is B. Confident. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word surprised? The correct option is D. Expecting. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word relaxed? The correct option is A. Tense. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word entrusted? The correct option is C. Bored. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word grateful? The correct option is B. Ungrateful. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word joyful? The correct option is A. Miserable. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word peaceful? The correct option is B. Violent. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word hopeful? The correct option is A. Hopeless. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word loving? The correct option is A. Hateful. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word anxious? The correct option is B. Calm. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word pleased? The correct option is D. Displeased. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.